This dance is called Save Me. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, ultra beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, going to take a large step to the side on the right. Start to drag that left towards the right, then rock back on the left, and recover your weight on the right. You're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. Large step to the side on the left, drag the right towards the left, rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. Side drag off on the right. 7, 8, side, drag, back, rock, side, drag, back, rock. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Now when I'm doing this touch step, the foot is literally just resting there. So there's no weight on that touch step at all. That means I can go off now on the left foot as I step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So again, I have got no weight on that right foot. Into a slow chassé to the right with a little turn on the end. So we're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, make a quarter turn to the right as you step your right forward. Now when you do this turn, make sure you completely turn your body, don't have a twist in it. Even if it means that back heel is off the floor, that's absolutely fine. So better to have that off the floor than put strain on your body with a twist. Then brush the left forward. So with the brush, I'm literally just making gentle contact with the ground, with the ball of the foot. So just a slight contact. The foot doesn't lift up at the end. So that set of steps once more then. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Let's add those two sections together. Side drag off on the right. 7, 8, side drag, back, rock, side drag, back, rock, side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Into a rocking chair, left foot leading. So because I've brushed, there is no weight on that left. So I'm going to lead with the left foot. With your rocking chair, you're going to step forward on that left as you rock onto it. Recover your weight back on the right. Move that left foot as you step it back, rocking back onto the left. Recover your weight back on that right. So your right foot is effectively your pivot foot. You are just moving your left foot from front to back in that rocking motion. So you rock forward and then you rock back. That's your rocking chair. Forward rock, back rock. Step forward on that left. Pivot yourself on your toes. Quarter of a turn to the right. Your weight goes back onto that centre or pivot foot, in this case, the right foot. Cross the left over the right, hold. So that little set of steps once more then. Rocking chair, left foot leading. 7, 8, forward rock, rock back, recover, step, pivot, cross, hold. So forward rock, back rock is your rocking chair. Let's add that to the top. Side drag off on the right. 7, 8, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock. Side touch, side close, turn, brush. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, hold. So hold, literally, exactly what it says. Hold, do nothing for 1 count of music. 1 count, 1 beat of music. So to finish the dance, we're going to put on a K step. So a K step, so called, because if you imagine your capital K, you're drawing that V of the K on the floor. So you're going to step your right foot diagonally forward to the right. Touch the left beside the right. No weight on that left foot, so we step the left diagonally back to the left, or where it came from. Touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back to the right. Touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally forward to the left, or back to where it came from. Touch the right beside the left. So hopefully you can see that we're actually drawing that V on the floor. So that set of steps once more, remember they're all on the diagonals. Stepping off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. So that's your K step. So at the end of the dance, once you get to that section, let's put it all together. Side drag off on the right. 7, 8. Side drag, back, rock. Side drag, back, rock. Side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, hold, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. So that is your dance. There it is, a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Now I will speed it up just a little bit when we get back to the front wall. Side drag off on the right. 7, 8. Side drag, back, rock. Side drag, back, rock. Side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, hold, step, touch, back, step, touch. Side drag, back, rock. Side drag, back, rock. Side, side, close, turn, brush. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross. Step, touch, back, step, touch. So hopefully you managed to follow that. And also I missed out the word hold, and just put a pause in the chant as well. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side drag, back, rock. Side drag, back, rock. Side, side, close, turn, brush. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross. Step, touch, back, step, touch. Side drag, back, rock. Side drag, back, rock. Side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, step, touch, back, step, touch, side drag, back, rock, side drag, back, rock, side, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, step, touch, back, step, touch, side drag, back, rock, side drag, back, rock, side, touch, side, close, turn, brush, rocking chair, step, Pull it across. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, side drag. Side touch. Rocking chair. K-step. 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 Hope you managed that one.